Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Andrew here, and I want to chat to you about how do you leverage estate agents and property sourcing agents. And also, what I will touch on is what if you want to become a property sourcing agent? What is that? So, let's first talk about SAPN agents. So, SAPN agents are estate agents that have been trained by us at the SA Property Investors Network on how to find property deals, how to assess if a property, in fact, is a property investment that makes financial sense. Because think about it, you want to go out there, don't you? And you want to buy property that puts money in your pockets. A challenge with a lot of estate agents is if you look at the industry as a whole for estate agents, there's a massive turnover of agents. They come in and they leave. Why? A lot of people think that becoming an estate agent is easy. So they go join Keller Williams or Chaz Everett or Remax, whatever the case is, and they think they're going to start selling properties and they're going to make a lot of money through their commissions. Little do they know that more than likely the rule of thumb is in the first year, they probably won't make any commission. The commission they might make will be on the rental side, not the sales side. And so you're always dealing with new agents that are coming through. And then, of course, then there's the estate agents that do stick around for a number of years. And the ones that do, I break them into two. I break them into the old school estate agent that isn't asked. They don't enjoy working with investors because we're difficult to work with, because now we're buying through entities. We're putting all these funny suspensive clauses in their mind. We want to get inspectors in. We want to buy ourselves as much time in the clause, and we make their lives difficult. So there are some agents that just don't want to work with us, and that's completely fine. Then we get what's called your experienced estate agents, the ones that are humble, they're hungry for business, they've been around long enough, and they want Andrew, they want myself to train them on how to become a SAPN agent. Guys, I've been an agent since 2007 in England and here in South Africa. When I moved back to South Africa in 2013, I became an estate agent. So I always wear two hats, right? And that's why I'm having this conversation with you now. Leveraging SAPN agents, their job is to go out and find deals, right? Now, remember that an estate agent, when they sign that sole mandate or a mandate, when the agent signs a mandate with the seller, they have a fiduciary responsibility to act on behalf of the seller, the best interest of the seller, therefore getting the best price for the seller. So it makes it very difficult when you come along or I come along and I deal with an agent and the asking price is 2 million and I offer 1.2 million. So 800K less, because that's where it works for me. It makes it very difficult for the agent now to go back to the seller and say, remember I told you the house is worth 2 million? Well, I'm just going to offer 1.2 million. Now, the job of that agent is to get the highest price for the seller, and we've all got to respect that. Now, when it comes to leveraging SAPN agents, if I get an army of SAPN agents, 5 or 6 agents, I've sat with them, I've run through my spreadsheet, they understand it. They understand the back-to-back strategies, multi-lets, what exactly. I put together a hunting brief. The hunting brief is a picture of myself. It's what I'm looking for. It's my affordability. It's my strategy. And they go hunting. They can go to other estate agents for me. They go hunting for the deals. They call other agents saying, hey, my name is Joe Bloggs. I work for Keller Williams. I work for Chaz Everett. And I've got a client looking for a multi-let that's got prepayment meters. It's up and running. It's plug and play. Do you have anything available? Because not only your hungry agents would do that, they now go and they liaise with the agents. They do the initial viewing. They WhatsApp me the photographs. They WhatsApp me my own spreadsheet. Can you see how I can leverage and scale this very quickly? Because if I don't do that, everything's up to me. And it might be that you're busy, you're full-time employed, you got kids, you got a partner, and your biggest issue is time. And are you thinking you have to do everything yourself? Take time out on the weekend. When you speak to an agent, are you a SAPN agent? Okay, well, a SAPN agent, I'm actually a member of the SA Property Investors Network, and I'm looking to work with some SAPN agents. These are estate agents that want to learn about return on investment, gross yield, the different strategies in property, and I'm very eager to buy at least 5 properties this year. Are you keen to work with me to help me build my portfolio? The beauty is that you're going to be making good cash. The agent starts to make good cash flow. Why? Now there's 5 deals from one buyer. Now, a SAPN agent and a property sourcing agent, all of a sudden, the SAPN agent may not have the mandates or the stock, but they're going to go find the stock. They're now acting as to what we call a property sourcing agent. A property sourcing agent is someone, sometimes a quadrant A investor, unemployed, but they've got lots of time. And these guys are scouting Property 24, Omniland, MyRoof, Auction Inc. They are going to all the different websites And because you've given them your brief, your hunting brief of what you're looking for, they're going to maybe take 100 properties. They're going to go through it. They're going to find out why the seller's selling, how long has the property been in the market for. They'll do the area research for you and maybe take the 100 down to 15. Saying, hey, Andrew, I've got 15 potential properties. I've viewed these 15. Here's the photographs. This seller out of the 15 is the most motivated. They were asking 3.2 million. It's dropped to 2.5. I reckon we can get it for 1.6 million based on the conversation I've had with the agent. Now, all of a sudden, I've got, I'll call them my army of SAPN agents to go out there, do the due diligence, put all the documents, the Lifestone reports, the spreadsheet, the photographs into a folder, as well as WhatsApping it to me. And I just go through the list going, don't like that, don't like that, I like this one, I like this one. So that's how you guys can actually go out there as members of the SA Property Investors Network. And we can show you how to train up your agents to then call them SAPN agents. But just remember, SAPN agents are SAPN agents. They need to be humble, they need to be hardworking, and they need to be driven by commission. Because if you think of the average estate agent, right? They get a sole mandate, they work with one buyer, that person buys a property, and they're not going to sell that property for 7 years. Doesn't it make more sense if you can find the right agent? Say, hey, Mr. Agent, and not only am I looking for 5 deals, but I met someone at the SAPN networking event last night. They're looking for 5 deals. If you position this right and you find the right agents, right, you will make a lot of money. You will save a lot of time, save a lot of hassle. And the agent is also going to make a lot of money. In fact, they'll probably want to start investing as well. And who knows, maybe you'll end up doing a joint venture with an estate agent. But I just want to share with you because I've done that for a number of years because I am an agent, I am a property investor. And I just see that there's a massive gap between this investing world and the estate agent world. And out of the estate agent world, how do we take a percentage and bring it to the middle with our property investors? Because that's where the magic is going to happen. So guys, I hope that you got loads of value from this video. It's super exciting because the sky is the limit and you can make as much money as you want if you just think out the box. So guys, if you did like this video, just like it for me. Do me a favor, like it, subscribe, so share it with your community, your friends. And if there's ever anything that you want to learn or hear in specific, pop me a message in the comments box. More than happy to cover it for you and help you guys build an awesome property portfolio.